A very warm welcome to everyone present with us today and happy Independence Day. We all know how our wonderful country strived from the past to become what it is today, and it indeed is a miracle. But what about the future? How will India look in the future? Will all our dreams and expectations be fulfilled? Give me a minute. What if I told you I was a time traveler? You wouldn't believe me. I'm obviously not one. What if I told you I'm an astrologer? I obviously don't look like one. So one thing I can promise you is I can give you all a clear view of how India will look in the future. So all of you, fasten your seat belts and get ready for a travel to the future. India as a superpower. 200 years ago, if someone would have told you that the USA will be a superpower in the future, you would laugh. Because it was a below average colony ruled by the British Empire. And now, when I tell you India will be a superpower in the future, just hold on. India is changing, and change is a constant thing. What today is a developing country can pretty much rule the whole world a few decades later. Over the years, there have been several changes in the social, military, and economic aspect of our country. A country with the world's second highest population, the most number of young minds, strong international relations, powerful growing economy, holding extreme capabilities to tackle security threat, great leadership, and with a global influence with its historic culture and peaceful attitude. India can surely become a superpower. Now, let's go in detail on why I feel India will be a superpower in the future. Powerful growing economy. From foreign countries referring to India as a country that depends on agriculture alone, they see India as a big potential for developing technologies. Over the years, India's economic dependence has shown a recognizable shift on IT sectors. Multinational companies such as Alphabet, Microsoft, Dell, Intel, Samsung, and many more see India as a potential secondary hub and their Asian headquarters. Unlike China, whose economy depends on foreign investments, India is a country which focuses mainly on internal investments, and which is a huge advantage as in the long run. A stable economy like India might overtake and surpass countries like China. Most importantly, India has a higher GDP growth, and considering the current statistical trend, it might even contribute 15% of the global economy in the year 2050. Industrial development. India is a rising power in the software, design, services, and precision industry, and home for a huge number of young skilled minds. In the future, with rising job opportunities, it is likely that the highly demanded Indian graduates from top institutes will be working in their motherland. Currently, every major multinational company has begun to invest heavily in India and has started to rely on Indian engineers for their next generation products. Companies like GM, Boeing, Motorola, Cisco, HP, and many others have begun to make their research and development facilities and Asian headquarters in India. Indians inherently are entrepreneurs. A vendor selling food on a street corner is an entrepreneur. He is a product manager who defines what customers want from him. He is a salesperson as he finds the right opportunity to sell his products and adjusts price based on the competition. This spirit will be extended to high-tech products and services also. With more and more emerging business schools in India, there will be more qualified leaders, and there will be high competition and an end to the constant domination of a very few. Infrastructural development. The government has tried to boost its infrastructural development by implementing projects such as Smart Cities and Make in India. These include projects such as the GIFT City, Gujarat International Finance Tech City, and Vizag Smart City. The government is in the process of developing a rapid mass transit system in cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Kochi, Delhi, and Kolkata by introducing modern metro rail system, high-speed railway connectivity with bullet trains, and modern public bus transit system. India has initiated projects such as solar parks in Gujarat and production units for ethanol to use them as an energy source to replace oil imports and for a clean environment. The Airports Authority of India has estimated capital spending targets of more than 20,000 crores by 2022, and more than 70 regional airports that are underutilized will be developed. This ambitious project will lead India to quick economic growth, which will in turn lead India to become a superpower by 2050. Development in tourism. A large tropical country, India is well known for its diverse climatic features. It has become one of the world's most promising tourist destinations and welcomes a large number of visitors each year. India, after all, has amazing diversity from 38 UNESCO World Heritage Sites to the Himalayas to pristine beaches and plenty of other natural assets and wildlife population. In addition to this, the government will be launching 6 tourist circuits soon. They are Ramayan Circuit, Desert Circuit, Eco Circuit, Wildlife Circuit and Rural Circuit, and also the Holistic Island Development Plan and Incredible India 2.0. With more infrastructural development which eventually leads to increase in tourism, it can exponentially create more jobs and increase India's GDP growth. By the year 2030, India will have an unrivaled tourism growth rate and be a center of attraction in Southern Asia. Development in education, science and technology. India has the world's youngest population. According to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, education is the most important element for the growth and prosperity of India. Virtual classrooms of the future will have students from many locations taught by a team of geographically distributed instructors through the tele-educational delivery system. Nowadays, education and IT is on the right track. Also, in India today, there are several mobile uses and the level of education is also on the rise. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's dream is going to be fulfilled very soon and the youth are playing a vital role in the developing India. India is rocking as far as science and technology is concerned. It is already becoming the world's leading producers of computer software. It is also supporting and investing in research and development centers and is slowly undergoing a revolution in the field of science and technology. Prime Minister Narendra Modi once mentioned in a speech that India's Mars mission is far more cheaper than a Hollywood film. That's the best example to show how extreme talent of our country in science and technology. Military power. With a defense budget of $54 billion and active military personnel of 1,362,500, India ranks number 4 on the list of top 10 most powerful militaries in the world. Add to it a total of 2,102 aircraft and a naval strength of 295, and you have a country ready to tackle any military emergency. India is gaining new technology and ideas from all over the world, such as 5th generation fighter plane from Russia, while defense drone technology from USA and other technology from Israel. Some of its projects are the aircraft carrier INS Vishal, hypersonic cruise missile BrahMos 2, intercontinental ballistic missile Agni-6 and the unmanned combat air vehicle Aura. With its increased defense budget of more than $54 billion, it will surely be a global superpower as far as military power is concerned. History, culture and unity in diversity. India is the land of one of 2 ancient civilizations with history of over 5,000 years. Having had geniuses that have contributed globally, factors and inventions such as the numbering system, zero, calculus and even astronomy, we are sure the current and the future generations will keep adding to this repository of contributions. India is a nation of amazing culture, religious and political diversity. This gives India the ability to address the problems out in the open and renew and adapt to the changing circumstances. With the increase in literacy rate and awareness, internal threats, crime rates and women's safety will not be a major problem in the future. Terrorism is the only threat to India's peace, security and unity, and with better military power and internal security, India can tackle any terrorist situation.
So, if a country excels in all the above mentioned aspects, the country is deemed to move towards being a superpower. And now, India is right on track.